Okay, let's continue with the model. Now we'll prepare the cash flows. So first we'll write the net income, whatever the net income is, add back depreciation. We've already calculated the depreciation. Non-cash interest, so we'll leave this for now. Changes in net working capital. So change in net working capital is derived from okay. So change in sales, new year sales minus previous year sales multiply by inventory sales plus change in sales okay, so I got it wrong. So old year sale, previous year sale minus current year sales for the asset side. If increase will be deducted and if decrease will be added, right? With that concept, we'll do this. For liability side payables, new year sales minus previous year sales multiply by payables. Capex, we already have capex calculated. Okay, and now sum. Okay, first now let's calculate the um, loans, interest payments. So we have uses of plus spread. Okay, mandatory principal payments days and 50% cash flow sweep. The benchmark is expected to increase from 1.5 to 1. So benchmark rate is 1.5% and will increase to 3% over 5 years. Sorry, percent. Then we will do the same and then we will add 0.5%. Okay. Okay. In term loan repayment is 5, 10, 10, 15, and 20%. 5, 10, 10, 15, and 20%. Okay. Now let's calculate term loan 300 million multiply by benchmark rate plus spread of 50%. Okay. We'll add up the amount and this will automatically increase. senior non-cash senior notes multiplied by cash rate 3%. Then notes, the amount will increase and we will make no repayments during the tenor, and later on we will pay the whole amount, right? Okay, now for interest expense, I will just sum all the interest payments including cash and non-cash. Okay, so we have added interest, or score minus area from the update the formula. Interest just okay. So now cash flow has completed. Now let's move to mandatory cash repayments. Yeah, here we will make a formula: minimum of term loan multiplied by term loan minimum cash. Okay, and depreciation. One-time repayment, or now let's calculate cash used for debt repayment. Here we'll also write a formula: minimum of cash minimum of cash available into cash sweep, that is 50%. Okay, we will write this formula with negative sign because this is cash outflow. Ending cash is mandatory payment, cash outflow, beginning cash, then free cash, and cash used for debt payment. And whatever the ending cash is will be the beginning cash for the next year. And now we'll just okay. So these all will be with negative sign because this is cash outflow. Mandatory payment is also cash outflow, and minimum cash we have to maintain at any point in time. So when we add these, a loan amount must be zero. This is due to some minor roundups that for balance of 4 is appearing. So till now this is complete, and now we will check the enterprise exit value. Okay, so here exit multiple, let's say we have target 10x and exit here, just do data validation while list, and then this will just add year 4 or year 5. Okay, so if we select year 4, and what will be our exit value, and if we select year 5, what will be our exit value. If exit year is equal to this year, comma, EBITDA multiply by exit multiple, else 0. And we'll copy this formula, fix C14, C14 and C13. C13. Okay, so here we have selected year 5, and in year 5 and this. Okay, this and this here. And debit debt is negative, so we'll add this with negative sign. Okay, and same for cash, and it is adding, we will add the cash. If exit here fix is equals to here, comma, closing cash balance, whatever the ending cash balance is, here 1, comma, ending cash balance or 0. Just sum this 118. Okay, now if the enterprise value assess that in this asset as equity value. Whenever we